Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here together, so nice, to unbox Linen Luv.
Welcome lovelies. Well, I miss doing the videos and I'm thrilled that once in a while I get a little spot in the video.
Well, it's unboxings are easy because
I know, I'm compromised still. But anyway, here I am and...
Yeah, 2 days in a row.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's great. And there's so many beautiful pieces I see passing by. And
fun nice with the kids' work. Did you love it?
Love, love, love. This is a beautiful top, lovelies.
Yeah.
Just my color and the fabric and everything.
Yeah,
this little
beautiful.
V-neck, yeah. And so well received. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great. Yeah, we really were excited that you are excited as us about
the Kazora.
The Kazora.
Yeah. And we have Linen Luv here. I always say love linen, but it's Linen Luv.
Yeah.
Beautiful line too.
Yeah. You tend to twist things around.
Yeah. No, I know. But Ruby keeps asking, oh, do you need me for a video? Do you need me for a video?
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, she's
well.
doing a great job and you are doing a great job by yourself. Yeah.
But
I watched the other day your tips on TV broadcast.
John
and
Hamm.
How handsome you think John Hamm is.
Well, it's funny because we talked about that and Kristen said there was, what show was it, Kristen? That Fargo. Fargo. She said he wasn't so handsome in Fargo.
Oh, that's right. I remember that. Oh my goodness.
So I told my mom and she said, yeah, but she doesn't, it's on Crave, lady, so she has to get Crave.
No, I checked it. It's on Prime too.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we're going to watch it.
Yeah, you have to watch it.
You have a hard time finding a good series.
Do you?
Yeah.
But you said one the other day.
Yeah, we've started to watch Parenthood. It's an old one. And it's fun.
Did you see it, Kristen? Yeah.
It's nice, eh, Kristen?
Oh,
yeah.
I'm going to have to watch it.
Yeah. Well, we watched the first 2 episodes and there's so many people in there. So every time I had to stop it because Clan said, who belongs to who and what is this and what? Because it's very... There's a lot of people in it, 4 siblings, and they all have families, and it's very, very pertaining to now, right?
Yeah.
This is what you're dealing with, and everybody else with young families.
Yeah.
And divorces and all kinds of dating later in life. Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun.
Watch it.
As you're talking, I'm looking behind here, and I'm thinking you're getting most of your art up. So what's going on with this back wall here?
Glenn has made, when I just had my in-shave, which is now going on the 4th week, he made on scale this wall.
Oh, really?
He took a picture of all the art and made it on scale. It's cut out like this, and I have to place it where you want it on the wall.
Oh, okay.
And I can't wrap my head around it. And every day he says, "So did you spend some time on the wall?" And I'll say, "No, not today.
Too busy
tomorrow."
watching your TV shows.
No, I'm not watching during the day at all.
No, I called you the other morning and you were watching.
Oh, Love on the Spectrum.
Oh, yeah.
I was feeling sorry for myself that morning, so then I sit down and I watch TV.
Yeah.
But no, I've been, this, that, and that.
No, I know.
First of all, when you do something with one hand, it takes forever. Everything takes an hour. No, really.
Well, you still have your beautiful jewelry on.
I know. I love this bracelet.
Don't you love it?
Love. Which one do you have?
I have these two.
That is so classy.
I know.
Tessa.
I love them.
Yeah, it's so funny beautiful. To see that you don't have and I don't have my
bangles.
Yeah, it bothers me, so I took it all off.
They're bothering you too?
Yeah, they're bothering me.
Yeah. I remember, ladies, the first time this was probably like 19 years ago, I saw a woman at the One of a Kind show that came to our booth and she had them like this and she was so cool. And that's where I got my inspiration and I thought, oh my God, I'm doing that.
And I remember me asking her, you must take them off at night. That's so much work. She said, I have put them on. I have never taken them off.
Yeah.
I said, do you have a husband or a partner you sleep with? She said, yeah, he doesn't, because every move she made was like jingle jangle.
You get used to it. Yeah. All right, ladies, and I am wearing the Polo Trico sweater, which I'm loving.
Gorgeous.
It's beautiful. Colleen has this. She wears it a lot in the boutique. And I'm wearing my tried and true silk crinkle skirt from
your luxury skirt.
It is pure luxury. But I cash it down all the time. Yeah. I wear it a couple times a week.
No, I know. It's so nice that you wear this every day. Because you know what? This is a golden oldie from Cut Loose.
Yes, it is.
It's the tiered skirt from years ago.
You're just putting whatever feels comfy on.
Well, exactly.
You can't really bring her any pants or anything.
You know, the other day I was so fed up with wearing like pull-on pants, so I put on my jeans, but I can't do the button-up.
No. Oh,
So,
of course. Jeez, all these things.
Oh,
Okay, let's get to it, ladies.
Exactly.
We got some beautiful linen pieces here and some bright colors, but I'm gonna start with this classic beauty.
Oh, I haven't seen this at all. Oh,
Yeah.
no, Tessa.
Pretty, eh?
How cute is that?
Yeah. It's really
Oatmeal,
nice
my
on.
color. Utopia
I know.
oatmeal. Beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh, I can
and
see
the
that.
bling
Really
here.
nice on.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, very beautiful.
Yeah. And then they also did it in navy.
Pockets. They always. Oh,
Pockets, yeah.
that's a colleen.
Yeah, beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful
Gorgeous,
with the white strip.
Gorgeous.
Very classy.
Yeah, beautiful.
Nice A-line.
Yeah.
Extra small, that is. They go extra small to extra large, I believe.
Yeah.
And then there is,
Oh.
yeah, a longer duster.
Get
Well,
out.
not duster, sorry, cardigan. Trying to find it here.
I always love those.
I know, just a nice waterfall.
Oh,
we have a nice
beautiful.
one from me and Guy as well, but this one's a bit longer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice color too. Beautiful.
Yeah, so you can put it over the oatmeal dress,
Yeah.
which is great.
Yeah.
But
That's right.
I'm gonna fish for you what we can put over this dress, and you're gonna love it.
Oh, I can't wait.
A raw edge,
Oh my! To
little
pick
crop.
up the white.
yeah,
How cute is that?
Isn't
and it's
that
got
cute?
it's a little tailored. It's got cute little pockets.
cute little pocket.
Oh, Tessa, adorable.
Adorable. So ladies, just a fit tip for this. These are fitting extra small, fits great on me anyways, because Lousje has, of course, not seen these yet, but this
Large,
fits
a little
true
large.
to, this is good.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's good. And this
Okay.
fits small.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I was up to a small in it. this is
that's
an
not
extra
fair.
small.
Yeah, you can tell.
But
Beautiful.
beautiful with the pearl buttons
Yeah,
and the
beautiful.
raw edge.
Gorgeous. Nice
And-
linen too.
Yeah, beautiful. And look at this color.
Oh my, Tessa.
I know. With a pair of blue jeans.
Holy
or-
moly, that's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Oh,
Isn't that such a beautiful color?
tangerine, that's my color.
Yeah. Yeah, tangerine's a
I have
good,
many colors actually.
you do. And then one pair of pants in this shipment, and it is a beautiful knit waistband.
Jeez Louise, that is gorgeous.
I know.
Oh,
And
I love.
It's got
the-
an open,
And when you walk, it's flowy.
nice flow
and
to
yeah,
it. Yeah, wonderful pants.
Beautiful pants. Yeah.
And again, ladies, I find this fits a bit small.
Look at this with this too, eh?
Yeah, with
If you
the
want a little
tangerine.
bit of a darker color. Oh,
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
stunning.
Yeah,
And with the white, of course, it's
With
it's
the
a
white,
classic,
yeah.
right?
yeah, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
You're working too hard here. Be
Yeah,
careful with
okay,
your
okay,
hand. You're scaring
okay.
me. Does
I'm
it?
getting-
Can you go like this
No,
now? No, you can't, eh?
No.
It's so crazy, eh?
It's crazy, but I'm so excited.
Yeah, that you're getting.
Yeah, I'm getting to.
You're on the mend.
I'm getting a little exposure to the outside world.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
All right, ladies, and then a beautiful
Oh,
summer dress.
cobalt
Look at
blue.
this color. Absolutely
Oh,
gorgeous.
this is another style. Oh, nice.
Yeah, really nice lines
Beautiful,
here.
Tessa.
So there's knit in the back at the back yoke,
yeah, beautiful.
and all these different, very beautiful detailing.
Lovely, lovely.
Yeah, also fitting, you know, smaller,
Pockets.
snugger.
Little bubble at
But
the bottom.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very,
nice to
very
have,
nice.
you know, a nice slimmer fit, not so bubbly.
And you know what I love about these plain colors? You can go nuts with a jewelry and scarf.
Yeah, so fun.
And a patterned little jacket or top, you
Yeah,
know?
absolutely. Yeah. And last but not least, look at this color.
Oh, no!
Same dress in, look at,
Tessa.
I know, can you believe how colorful I got?
I have never seen this color in clothing. This is gorgeous.
Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty.
This is almost the color of her front door. It's called marigold.
Oh, marigold, yeah.
Is that called
Oh, there
marigold?
goes Charlie. Mealy.
Oh, I love, love, love.
Honey in French, but I would say this is marigold.
Yeah,
It's gorgeous.
gorgeous.
Yeah, beautiful.
So this is the same style as this one.
Yes.
Yeah, and what I like too is like the edges with the
the
knit,
knit.
finish, eh?
Yeah.
Here
Nice
and here.
contrast.
And the
Pockets.
beautiful lines, pockets.
Yeah. And then it's got a slit at the back,
yes,
ladies.
I just see that now.
Yeah, beautiful.
I was wondering about how you could walk in it, but this is perfect.
Yeah, no,
Great
it's beautiful.
design.
Nice silhouette. Yeah. So exciting. So ladies, I will style those up for you tomorrow. Excited for that without Lousje. Oh, whisper.
Yeah, me too. Uh-huh.
Oh, look at all the birds here, though. It's so pretty, eh?
We had a little massacre yesterday.
You told me. I have to tell
There's
the ladies.
a cat
Massacre.
that comes from the neighbors, and it sits underneath the couch and just is ready to pounce. So every time I come outside, I shoo him away. Yesterday we were away. I had some appointments, and when we came home, there was a ton of bird feathers. So he must have had snapped one. But this morning I sicked Charlie on him.
Yeah.
You should have seen, he didn't know, the cat didn't know
Come
how
on, Matt.
fast to get out of here. And he was going nuts, so I think the cat has got a good scare. But it's, that is, yeah, that
You
is
make sure he
unfortunate.
doesn't come back.
No, that's right.
Eh?
Good thing he hates
Protect the
cats and he
birdies.
doesn't try to make friends.
Well, remember he got
Attacked.
and then he
Twice.
had an infection.
Yeah, twice.
Yeah, that's why we think he always yelps when we touch him.
Yeah, that's an excuse. One of our excuses.
He's a softie.
Yeah.
All right, ladies.
Okay.
Well, we hope
Summer
you...
is starting, so
Yeah, some beautiful colors, and I can't wait to style those up with some beautiful necklaces in the boutique. That's
sure.
it, right?
Yeah.
All those, I love it, and
know.
scarves.
Lots of scarves too in the boutique. Tons.
Yes, it'll be nice.
So I love these. These are new.
Oh yes, those are
They're
Suriglio.
light.
She doesn't want to leave, ladies. She wants us to stay here all day and entertain her because
No,
she's so bored.
No.
I was trying to wrap up the video and she's like, so.
No,
Should I make a tea, Mom? And
Oh, no,
we'll sit
no.
with the ladies and we'll do an hour episode of, we're just going to sit back here and relax.
Oh, my
Get a little
goodness.
comfy.
No. Anyway, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah. No,
So-
but these are Suriglio.
Yeah, and they're
Yeah.
nice and light. That's what I like about it, and a little more simplified, right?
Yeah, and look at,
Of course.
these are beautiful,
Wow,
ladies.
they are gorgeous.
I know. I didn't want to put a necklace because I love the stripes.
It's
And
got a little bit of gold in it.
I know, to pick up
There's
the-
a little gold stripe here, very fine stripe.
yeah.
Okay. Well,
All right, so we're going to put on Friends and Neighbors, Good Friends and
Yeah,
Neighbors. And
yeah.
we're going to sit here
and
for a
watch.
couple hours.
Yeah, you dream on, baby. Okay, lovely. So
All right, ladies.
enjoy your day.
Yeah, please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
And as always, keep on smiling.